are usually just an ingredient in your chicken salad, or maybe a side on your lunch plate. But these grapes are moving on to dessert. They're moving up. They're moving on. They're moving up.
Moving up.
Studio 5 food editor Maddy has 3 ideas to turn your bag of grapes pretty much into candy.
Into candy.
This is so fun.
So hear me out. Grapes are kind of having a moment right now.
Yeah.
They are all over my social media. This is like the TikTok trend that everyone is talking about. I mean, and it's easy to see why, like candy grapes. But on that note, they're not going to replace like a healthy handful of grapes that you'd put on like your kid's sandwich plate.
No.
But they're more like if you're gonna make a healthy swap and your kids are asking for Sour Patch Kids,
there you go.
Give them some Sour Patch grapes.
There you go. It's
right?
fruit with the sugar.
Fruit with the sugar.
It's fruit with the candy. Okay, first on the menu, Jolly Rancher grapes.
Jolly Rancher grapes. Okay, so these ones are all about the texture for me. So we're gonna grab some grapes, yes, and this toothpicks. Anyways, you gotta grab with your fingers.
Sticky.
Super sticky. So we've got melted Jolly Ranchers here. How do you feel about that?
That's so good. That's so fun.
So fun, huh? The texture, the crunch, and then the grape inside. So these have been melted, 30 seconds. Melt your Jolly Ranchers down all the way. Stir them around. We're gonna just drop it in.
Is the glass I'm using ruined after this?
I hope not.
Okay. Maddy's like, I really hope not. It's a studio class.
We'll replace them. And see that like stringy stuff too? It's kind of like when you're making cotton candy. Yeah. And the sugar just goes crazy. Like it's a kitchen
caramel
art.
apple. It's just like,
okay, yours looks so much prettier than mine.
I'm kind of a professional.
Hello.
Listen, I don't want to toot my own horn, but toot. Look at that.
But look at that. And it dries really quick. So you kind of really have to work fast. Whatever flavor of Jolly Rancher you want to do. And I honestly feel like you could do this with other hard candies too if you're wanting to go crazy.
You could do grape.
Yeah, it's like a kitchen arts and crafts project.
You could.
And they're so fun to eat.
Those are good.
Good, huh?
Okay, what's next?
This is my very favorite. Sour Patch grapes. So we've got our grapes here. We are going to take, depending on how many grapes you're using, this is like a medium amount here.
Okay.
I'm just gonna do probably 1 whole lemon, squeeze it in there.
So they're gonna get sour.
They're gonna get sour. And you want to make sure your whole bowl is like coated. So the grape has to be entirely wet for the sour stuff to
So
stick
lemons and
onto it.
limes.
Lemon and lime.
Okay.
Make it extra sour.
What's the powder?
Jello mix. So choose your flavor of Jello mix.
What do we got?
We've got, this is cherry, and that's orange too.
Ready?
Yeah, dump it on in.
This is fun.
So fun, huh? You could do like a baggie and have your kids shake it up too, if you want to get some exercise in there.
Okay.
So good, huh?
Okay.
So good. These are my favorite.
Why is that so good?
I know. These ones have been frozen too. So if you want to freeze them and have like a cool summer like that in that texture, again, these are all about the texture.
Are delicious. All right, 1 minute. What do we got
left? Last one. These are fruit roll-ups. So we've got our fruit roll-ups cut up here.
Yes.
Just take a little piece. Take your grape. You literally just roll it on up. This one, same. All about the texture. Freeze them.
Yes. Oh,
crunch on this one.
So they're coated.
Good.
They're coated.
Yeah, so the fruit roll up like hardens, so it's like that candy shell.
Yeah.
And it's just that crunch again. So good.
Which one is your fave?
Sour Patch, for sure, 100%.
Cool.
So good, huh? Just snacking on those by the pool. Can you imagine? Like dream.
They've got to be frozen though.
Yeah.
There's that whole mouth sensation.
Agreed.
You tried these? They're so good. Maddy, thank you so much. Grapes, having a moment. Grape candy, 3 ways to mix it up just for fun with the kids and grandkids. We'll post the instructions for you on our website. Thank you.
Yes.
I'm going to be thanking you all summer long. Those are delicious.